What's the most unfair inheritance/family money situation you've seen? My grandpa, a notoriously frugal man, passed away last year. He had a sprawling, antique-filled house and a surprising amount of investments. Everyone in the family assumed his three children, my dad, aunt, and uncle, would split everything equally. That's how it should work, right? Well, read the will. Turns out, Grandpa left everything, every single dime, to his beloved pet parrot, Captain Squawk. The bird even inherited the house, with stipulations that my uncle had to maintain it in perpetuity, ensuring Captain Squawk lived a life of luxury. My dad and aunt got a single, framed photo of Grandpa and the bird. The twist: Captain Squawk died a week later of old age, leaving his entire estate for the secondary clause in the will to the local bird sanctuary. My uncle was fuming, my dad and aunt just laughed, and the sanctuary now has a new wing.